I'm gonna go buy two black curry, 3 pound of chicken, but no wing, yes, and butter. 2 pound of rice. Sell me. But wait, no alka that. Alka, I can't alka like that a shopkeeper. Alka.
Welcome to new me.
By the way, shopkeeper, I meant Alkaline. I can't believe it on shopkeeper. Now we're going to music. By the way, more 2 pound of chicken, curry, sell me sitting there. You know, hurry up with the chicken. Me don't want no wing. Yeah, you hear what me say, Alka?
Curry and kitchen and chicken and wing.
I must joke this. Man say they want chicken but no wing. Yeah, make song off of me order. Yo man, hungry in the youth, me don't want ya joke with man food, you know.
When it comes to my food, me don't joke.
Yo, shopkeeping and no fear, you know. Yo, go back to, go sing back some song or sitting on my youth. Yo, but since I don't have no chicken, yo, give me 2 pound of pork there.
That's seller.
What joke this a man here make? You don't have no pork in. Alright, give me 2 pound of kidney.
That's seller.
A joke here make, man. Everything sell off. Everything sell off. You serious?
Everything shell, everything gel.
See me, if you tell me say no meat kind in our shop, Alka. Alright, you have rice, right?
That's seller.
Flour,
That's seller.
butter,
That's seller.
oil.
That's seller.
You know what? I go get them when I other shop around the same, you see me? Or I sell you, no want to sell me nothing.
Comes to the money, me don't joke.
Yo, done everything, you know. Me don't want nothing out to your shop, you know, my you. Me don't want nothing out to your shop. You ramp with man hungry, and you ramp with man hungry. Yo, I left me if you say no. Yo, stick to music, here, Alka, stick to music.
Shopkeeper, my son over there sick of a little feel and I'm going to recommend.
Medicine.
Thank you. God bless you.